Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here today to go over my January Paper Stash Smash. I have decided to join the 2026 Paper Stash Smash this year, and I am so excited to be working through some of my projects. Thank you so much, Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, Karolina from Karolina Crafts, and Letty from Party Paper Papery. Yay, I got it right, Letty. So, January was free choice, so I chose UFOs, which for me that is unfinished objects. I have a ton of them in my craft room, half finished cards, half finished this. I'm already actually looking forward to April where we get back to anything goes, so I can continue to work through some of those UFOs that I have in my stash. But I was able to complete 101 projects. Of those, 13 were 3D elements, 3D artworks, and the rest were various cards that I had in my collection from classes that I've taught in the past. So I felt such a relief. It's not even scratching the surface of what I have, but it is such a relief to have those completed and out of my craft stashes here. So I'm just, thank you, ladies, so much for this challenge. February is 12 by 12 paper pad or collection sheets. And then March is going to be non 12 by 12. So like my 6 by 6, my 6 by 8, my 8.5 by 11. So I've got some stuff kind of in my brain for March already. But let's go over some ideas that I have for February. So these are free printables that Letty has at her Ko-fi shop, the Party Paper Papery. Look her up and you can download these free printables. I just sized them down so that they fit in my planner. She also has these kind of monthly prep sheets. So a few different things that I'm working on is I'm doing the Paper Stash Smash, and then I'm also a watercolorist with Art Impressions Watercolor, and I love their watercolors. So I'm teaming up with another of their, how do I say it? Just a fan of their products, Miss Debbie. And we have done Make It Simple Monday. So every Monday I'll be posting either a picture of a project that I've done and or a video of a project that I've done. February is going to be mailboxes, so any of the mailboxes in their collection. So I may use some of this paper to help accentuate those projects, but that is one of my projects I'm working on. I pulled out these old Bo Bunny sets. I love Bo Bunny. I've got 4 of these paper packs here that have embellishments, and then I think 6 or 8 sheets of paper in each one. And I've been asked to teach at a yoga retreat at the end of February. So I'm going to be kitting 25 kits with 3 cards per kit, and I've come up with a few different design ideas for those. I used regular paper for some design ideas, and I was inspired by Jess Crafts in her One Sheet Wonders. So here's some different card sets that we will be making with this beautiful Bo Bunny set. I will do a video on that, so the attendees have a video also, but these are just my sample cards to get some ideas. So that's my first plan, is to smash all of my Bo Bunny stuff, get this out of my collection, and put it to good use. I also pulled out 2 other collections as a just in case I need some more. This is Simple Stories Simple Vintage Weathered Garden. I love Simple Stories, and I thought this would be just a beautiful set. The cut-aparts in here are gorgeous. The colors are gorgeous. So this is a set that I've had. I don't even know how old this set is. Does it say 2021? So it's actually not too bad. The Bo Bunny is from 2017, so it's time to give it new life. And then I found this other one. This is a photo play set. It does not have, it's called Sweet Honey Bee, and it does not tell me how old the set is. No, it doesn't. So I don't know how old this set is, but absolutely gorgeous. Wild and Honey, Sweet Honey Bee. And I will post some videos or, some finished videos of projects that I've done with these. So this is what I'm hoping to smash this month. Fingers crossed I can get through all of this. So come and join me on my journey in February. It is a shorter month, so we will see how much I can get smashed of all of this amazing paper. Thank you so much for joining me again. If you are interested in joining along, just look up Paper Stash Smash 2026 and you will see all of the amazing products. It's just hashtag Paper Stash Smash. I will see you on the next video. Take care and have a great day.